Welcome back to Beae. In this tutorial, I will mention about the text. To add text in this page, simply drag and drop the text icon into the page. We will see various options available over here, so we will try each of them one by one. Let's bold the text, italic the text. We can also underline it or strike through it. So I will change the color and also the background color too. So you can insert your own link right here, and we also provide the open this link in a new window option for you to make. You can add your image in here using your own image or using our free image. Or attach a video, and we also have drop cap for your text. In the design section, we will have the text color. As usual, you can change the text color. Also, we have typography. Let's see the font selection, and this is the place where you can add your own font, or you can use the Google fonts, which are very famous. And then customize the text size, weight, transform, the style, and decoration. It is very easy to use the text element. And now let's move to the text shadow. Create a blur effect. Using horizontal and vertical will duplicate your text. So this is the end of my video, and remember to turn on your notification so that you won't miss out any interesting introduction or tutorial videos from Beae.